Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to DIY a disinfecting wipes bin box, whatever I want to call it. So first you're going to need the disinfecting wipes bin box, whatever you want to call it again. You're going to need glitter. It doesn't matter, whatever glitter of your choice. And you're going to need a hot glue gun. So first you're just going to want to take off the entire label. Okay guys, so I know it looks like it took me like a second to get this done, but it actually took me about 15 to 20 minutes. But it kind of looks like gross. But optional, you guys can use a piece of paper to cover this up if you would like. Okay, so here's one way you guys can go ahead and DIY. Just go ahead and put sparkles or glitter all over it. But it might not stay, guys, since the glue will dry out. But yeah, guys, that's just one way to do it. Okay, so guys, I just came up with like a random, just random stuff to make my little box thing look better. So what I did is I used nail polish, which is again optional. This is not included, but it's optional. I thought it actually kind of looked pretty cool. We're just gonna have to see how it dries now. Now you're just gonna want to put the hot glue on and make your own fancy, fun designs. Okay, so after you put your fun and easy designs on, you can go ahead and add whatever you guys want. Like, whatever. Say, like, I'm going to put this little necklace on. I mean, go ahead and be creative. Be who you want to be. Okay, so once it's finished, go ahead and add what you want. And literally, guys, I just randomly put stuff together. It doesn't matter. Don't judge in the comments. It looks terrible. I like it, but I don't like it. But it doesn't matter if you guys like it. Then